In today's video, I am going to be cooking gizzard and chicken yam porridge. I am cutting the chicken to a smaller size because it's porridge. Some people will cook it with the oil, but now you have to remove it because that is not so good. Clean it and start cooking it. I am putting salt. Chili pepper. A little bit curry and half Maggi. So I will leave it after boiling with the water, then I can add a little bit water. So I'm going to see if I'm going to add water to it. Very nice. Wow. So this side I will peel it different and the other side is already peeled. You know it's porridge, so like this 3 times. Yes. So I'm going to be washing the yam. So I'm going to take it to, I think it's enough. So after the meat is out, you have to add oil. So after the oil cook a little bit, you have to add the yam inside. Porridge, you cook it in different way. This is without tomato. So there are some you can ground fresh pepper and tomatoes inside. So this one is just chili pepper and oil with water. So I'm adding some water to it. Yeah. When you cook a little bit, then I will test it if there is salt. If you need more salt or more chili pepper, to put onions. And allow to add crayfish. So I am taking some of the soup. I will do to the meat, to the chicken and the gizzard to mix it before I put it in deep fryer. $20, $200, $20, start. I'm going to check if it's okay. Because as you are turning it, some yam will be scattered inside. Then you make the porridge thick. Okay guys, the porridge is good. This is what I need. Okay guys, I'm going to take the gizzard out. Wow. Guys, the chicken is this is very important to wash it. So it's time to dish the porridge. Oh my God.
Do you like it?
I'm not even trying it.
Ah, okay.
Because I was trying to cook
Okay, you try it now.
it. Yeah, I was really trying it. And I needed a little top.
It tastes like that. Ah. I didn't learn from the best. It's learning from me. I think it's learning from me. Exactly like that, yeah?
Try it. Try it if you want to. Try it now.
Mama food is mama food.
Brother food, brother.
Yeah, so this is our mommy. Which one is that? That's you, mommy. Which one do you like more?
I think Daddy also put the water on you also. And that means you're bold.
I know we are both.
Thank you. That is the final answer. Oda,
Yeah.
the best answer. Thank
Yeah,
you.
because this is very yummy. I was tasting it so yummy.
I know it's both. Favor.
Mm.